So before starting the meeting, we have two rules. First rule is whatever topic you want to choose, you can choose and speak, and try to conclude your whole speech within 4 minutes because we have 6 to 7 members, so everybody have to speak. Also, there is a question and answer session, so we can ask some question. Also, member can reply. So now we are going to start. So Salesh bhai, are you ready? Salesh bhai, Amit bhai.
Yes, yes, I am ready.
Okay, Salesh bhai, so you can start.
I'm
Hmm,
also.
hmm, hmm. Okay, so my point is all about the sorry, all about the singers of India. So broadly, we divide in three categories: the Indian singers, just like if we talk about the era of uh, uh, Kishore Kumar and Asha ma'am, Lata madam, and Rafi. So that was the one of the most famous era, the golden era you can say, of music industry. And the other one is if we broadly classify, then it is the 90s era. 90s era means it is just of like Udit Narayan, Alka Yagnik, and Kumar Sanu. These three were most famous singers at that particular era. And apart from it, if we talk about the last one, then it is the present scenario. Just like you can say, there are much many more singers. Um, some of them, just like famous, are uh, Atif Aslam, and you can say Arjit Singh, Honey Singh. This kind of many famous singers are there. So, but I would like to say one thing that if we talk about the particular first one, then you can say that the quality of singers, the quality of the way of singing and the lyrics of these songs, these are decreasing day by day. Yes, it is really true, I think, because according to me, when we were just like in the first era, the Kishore Da or Rafi sir, Lata madam, these used to sing very good. The lyrics was so awesome, and the rag, tal, and much more basics of their songs were really very good. But if we talk about the present scenario, just like you can say after 2005 2006, right now means so much rubbish kind of songs are generated, that and that also with a very you can say poor kind of lyrics, poor kind of their tal, rag, etc. Just you can see example of there are much more songs like Bala Bala. What is this? I don't know. Um, Actually, this type of songs just are they are singing just like to, I don't know what is their intention, but they are just destroying the main purpose of songs. And and if we talk about a particular 90s scenario, then yes, really, it is much more famous. 90s scenario, 90s era is much more famous for their songs quality. Yes, at that time, Udit Narayan sir, Kumar Sanu, Alka Yagnik, these three singers used to sing very soft song, lovely songs, and romantic songs, um, sad songs. These were the most famous at that particular time. So up to that means from Kishorda to Shanuda, Udit sir, this was the really very good generation or very good era for Indian singers. Apart apart from it, after that, I think yes, many good singers are still there. But right now, I can say that quality of singers and quality of their songs is literally very decreasing. So this is what all I want to say. If I want to conclude, then I can say that yes, right now singers' quality is decreasing, and the lyrics, it is really very. I'm really very hurt with the lyrics of right now today's songs. So this is what all I want to say. Thank you.
Okay, so we are moving towards next Amit Tiwari. So now Amit Tiwari, you can give your speech.
Yeah. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
So first of all, good afternoon, each and everyone. I am Amit Tiwari, and today I'm selecting the topic as corruption because in these days India is corrupted peoples. People are too much corrupt in India. So I'm sharing one story. Yesterday I'm traveling from my hometown Bihar to Delhi. So some peoples are traveling without ticket. In these days, IRCT is having a some strict rule. The people which are in waiting, they are not travel. But these are having not ticket and they are traveling. They are too much crucial during this COVID period. Why they are traveling? They were sitting besides me and traveling from Bihar. Um and they are traveling till Gorakhpur. No one TT was coming to check there. But after at the Gorakhpur station, one TT was coming and checking the tickets. So they catch them and asking saying about the fine of 5,000. After that, some type of argument between the passenger and the TTs will there. So that after concluding, the TTs will give all the people, five people's giving 3,000 rupees, and they will traveling from uh, Bihar to Delhi without ticket, and they were giving some amount of fine. But TT was not giving any type of tickets, fine tickets. All these money will be on TT's pocket, neither in IRCT pocket. So these all are corruptions is going on in India, either in democracy or either in any field. These type of corruption is going on in our country. Corruption's really a bad because in these some days ago I was sitting with my eldest brother. They were also telling they are having a good experience and they have giving the lots of government exams, and they have giving a lots of government exam, and they were sharing some of the students they were giving not give, giving the practical examination due to they've giving some amount to the members and directly go to medicals and qualified because due to corruptions are really bad, and all the seats are vanished for a person who have lots of knowledge but don't have money. I think they don't get a government job, very crucial from him or her. These are the corruptions. These are the type of corruptions I was sharing. These are the stories, and I'm also saying corruptions are really bad because uh, in this type of corruption, the economy will be still. If we are talking about the person who is in good family, so he was having a money, so he was get all type of facility either in government job. So is it good? But uh, I am talking about the person who are having a weaker section, means having suffering from poverty line. He neither become from neither come from a middle class person because he have not having money to giving someone to take a job. But corruptions are really bad either in the government of BJP or either in Congress. If we're talking about we says that in the BJP government the corruption was down, not down, it was increasing. In India corruption is neither be down, it will promoting people. If we're talking about in democracy, people are giving 10 lakh rupees 10 they will investing in democracy 10 lakh rupees, and all the 10 lakh rupees in a democracy to win or achieve acquire a seat, or either to gain a seat. So they are also trying to giving the money and purchasing the seats and all these things. And due to this corruptions, people are not going forward, and really a bad for that. And do either government is not taken a strict action. So this is very dangerous to us to stop this type of corruptions. So corruptions is really it's a bad, but we need to take some we government should take strict action, like giving the punishments. Government is also some type articles was issuing about the corruptions, but people are not too much aware, because promoting either in upper levels, from upper level to lower level, all the peoples in government are really corrupt. If we are talking about uh, uh, all the peoples are really corrupt, and uh, this is all about us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Amit. Now we are moving towards Amit first. Amit Bhai from Mumbai. So now, Amit Bhai, it is your turn.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so topic is means we have to choose, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This is
Okay, yes, I
open
thought.
speech. Yes.
Okay, I thought you will get topic and then I will have to say something
No,
or
no,
I
no,
will have
no,
to
sir.
discuss on that topic. Okay, so no problem. So thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and hope you are doing well and wonderful. And I'm Amit Kumar, and I would like to talk on what do you think you will become. Okay, it's I feel that it's a wonderful opportunity to have a word with you guys because it is a something platform, and today I'm going to reveal the things about the me. As I already told you that my subject is what do you think you become. Okay, so I still remember in my child day or at the age of I don't remember that, but about you can consider I was a 10-year old, and that time I was considering that I will become an engineer. Okay, but the the I progress it means I went to the ninth standard, then 10th standard. But as far as the percentage is concerned, I haven't got the percent of the first class. In the 10th, I haven't got a first class. In the 12th, also I haven't got a first class. But even though I got the seat in engineering, okay, and where in every year I got a first class, okay. But you know, behind that there were so many the things. It was my hard work, it was my consistency, and my dedication toward all the subjects. Even though I am a student of science, but because of the other subject I could not the gain. I was the very very clever, or I was very an intelligent person in the mathematics, chemistry, and the physics. So that was the reason that I could not cross at the first class. But apart from these three subjects, okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so so that I had already told what you think, and let me tell you the one story also. See, there was one farmer, okay, and farmer always blaming to the god, because of you my crops are not growing. Okay, and then one day what happened, God heard his pray, and he told and God has given the three different tablets, one for water and another for the sun and another for the year. Okay, and see the how grow, or how you put into the soil. So same thing will be, so the whatever the tablets which has been given to that farmer. So see, he planted his the seeds, and as per the tablet he has given all three tablets. Okay, time to time, like if the plants wanted the air, so he given that the air tablet. The plant wanted the water, he has given the tablet. The plants wanted sun, so he given that the tablet. And at the time of the harvesting, okay, he could see that his the plants, okay, is not strengthened. Then again he shouted and he asked to the god that what was the reason behind it, that the plant is not enough strong. Okay, then God asked him that, see, you have given whatever the plants you wanted, but you haven't given the strength. So in a life, the strength is very important. If you want to, become a very strong, so you should have the enough strength. Then only you will become a successful in the life. So in my life, my mother or my parents were my strength. Okay, so because of them I could progress in my life. Even though having completed my engineering, I search a lot of for getting a job, I struggle a lot. But you see the by chance, or see, suppose if you, I already mentioned that if you think, even though I had done my engineering in electronics, but I wanted to become a software engineer. So see, whatever the positive energy you positive energy which has been created around you, it will go into the universal, and automatically it will come back to you. So in the same way, by the chance, one of my friend met me in the local train, and then suddenly told me that what you are doing or something. We exchange our words, and then he told me, let's do one software course. And the basis of that, the software code, being the electronic engineer, I didn't know, or I hadn't known about that. What is ABCD, what the keys, what is computer, what is CPU, what is RAM, all this, the parameters or is terms. It was, totally, I was not aware of these terms. So, but even though I completed that the 3 months course, and after that the main struggle was started. It was, see, so many times I broke down in my life. I never thought, and because of this communication skill, it was, now I don't know where I am. But at that time, it was, totally the devastating. You can say it was something. It means I had not that much of fluency at that time, and it was very difficult for me to crack an interview. So again, I started, from the basic, and again, so it took me almost 6 to 7 months to crack an interview. But at that time, there was one my friend. He told me, I totally got frustrated, and one of my friends, and I was thinking to go back to my home, but one of my friend, I had discussed with him, and I told him almost I have given the 13 or 14 interviews, and even I haven't got a job, and I don't know where I'm going to lag it. So that time my friend told me that, yeah, Amit, it's okay, no issues, right? So you just count, you give the 100 interviews, and if you don't get a success, or if you are not able to crack that particular interview, then you can go the leave. And then after third or fourth, I got selected. I got a job in IBM. So that, see, so now the terms is like that. What do you think you will become? So I already told you that at the age of 10 or 10, I was thinking that I will become a software engineer, and how my life took a turn. So that is why. So whatever the positive energy which has been created, okay, so ultimately it will get you in your own life. So you should have you should have positivity, okay, with you. You should have the strength, you should have the consistency, you should have potential, and never feel regret to do anything. And one more thing, that never consider yourself, okay. Do not compare yourself with others, because it's your life. You have to go ahead, okay. See, there will be a lot of, see, when I done my engineering that time, everyone was considering, oh, you become an engineer, you will get a job, you will get so many things, but they don't know what struggle I have done in my life. So struggle is a very important, because already, even if you have everything, but struggle is very important. If you have money, okay, no problem, your parents will give you money, okay, everything the parents will give you, but your parents will not give you a struggle. And struggle is important. Struggle will come from inner strength. So struggle is a very important to become a successful person in your life. So do not forget the struggle, and do not depend upon the anyone in your whole life. So that is a very important thing, is that. So that's it from the mind. Thank you for listening me. Yeah.
Thank you, Amit Bhai. I think I have just got a tagline. Don't compare yourself to others. Because this is a very important line.
Yeah.
Because nowadays many people are comparing to each other. Yes, he is doing so good, so why I cannot? But I think you are saying right. Don't compare yourself to others. Okay. So now moving towards Sagar Bhai. So Sagar Bhai, this is your turn. And then we have Sneha.
Okay. I start. So first of all, the good evening to everyone. So this is Sagar here, and I'm also talking about one topic. So importance of family. So on our world, on our the in the life, so family are very important. So most of the time, family are giving a good opportunity to find out yourself, because the father and mother, they have a look like as a friend. To that time, they are giving us some good thought, and they are the something has learned. But in most of the family, they are not throughout their the whole life, and also the in that time are the struggle are important. But the struggle you have a make that time, the some person are supporting to you, that time you have a struggle. Yeah, any one of the time you will not done, you will not get a good thing. You have not any other the person has supporting. You can't go there any through on your life. So you make you make a good person to one person are supporting to you one of the time, but every time they can't support you. Yeah, these things are also make to learn a family are the best, one of the god gift for to the every person. And also the family are giving most of the thing to make as a person good. So also the family are nothing but the very important, and also every time they are supporting to you. And also the our parents and our the every other the environment do like that the no one can learn to you how we will uh, start it, but the parents are in the small in your childhood life to they have a supporting you. You have to giving a confidence. The no one can giving you a confidence, the every person are uh, see if you will going a right pathway, you will going right pathway, but most of the time you will go on wrong pathway. That time the parents and family are telling you you are not going to right pathway. Yeah, in that time the I am also the going a one of the multiplayer game, so PUBG and Free Fire. That time my parents are telling me you can't go there because you have a studied. After that you will go there and you will get any other the time to you will play that game, because this is the one of the game I'm directly going to that the game, and they have a directly hack on my mind. So I'm very focused on that game, and directly after that these things are also improve day by day, and directly I'm attached with it. And this is the one of the making bad thing on my mind. So these things not a good for to me. So that time the parents are giving a good thought. And also the in another person they have a in environment like at the neighborhoods and all this, they are telling you are the good person, but they had not know the family are know to we will do it good or bad. So that's my side for to family. The family are very important of everyone life. So thanks.
Okay, Sagar bhai, we must love our family, also obey their opinion, because family always want good from us and also good for us also. So now we are moving towards Sneha. Sneha is last speaker. So Sneha, now you can start.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, Sneha, you are audible.
Thank God. All right. So, hi guys. Like, it's good afternoon, everyone. So, my topic is actually public smoking should be banned. Like, this is my topic. So, if I say everyone watches movies, films, and in the starting of every film, there is actually the sentence like smoking should be banned. Drinking, no, it is like this, smoking is injurious for health, and it's something like this that drinking kills. And no actors in this film promote or support smoking causes cancer, and drinking is injurious to health. So this is the actually given in the starting of any movie. So if I will say that instead of knowing this, that really smoking is so much harmful, like every year literally, there is I'm not actually very much sure about the statistics, but yeah, like almost 76% of the persons every year is prone to heart attacks due to smoking. So actually here I'm talking of public smoking. Instead of knowing all of these things, that's how smoking is actually so much of injurious for everybody's hell. There are people who are chain smokers. There are people who are addicted to smoking. So, and there are also some people why not to appreciate their efforts who are out there trying to quit smoking. Um, yeah. So for that thing, I will say public smoking bans appear to significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks. You know, particularly among the younger individuals and the non-smokers. Yeah. And also, like, there are researchers that find that smoking bans and reduce the number of heart attacks as much as 26% per year. So this is actually the average statistics. um yeah, it also is like if you like, public smoking ban seems to be tremendously actually effective in reducing the heart attack, and theoretically might also help in preventing the lung cancer and emphysema diseases that develop much more slower than heart attacks, you know, the cardiac diseases. So the cardiac benefits increase with a longer ban duration. I think, interestingly, public smoking bans has a stronger effect in reducing the heart attacks among, especially among the women and the younger individuals. Like, because younger people tend to frequent go in clubs, restaurants, and bars where smoking is likely a part of a social scene. So yeah, heavily exposed people like those working in the entertainment or there is hospitality industries are likely to accrue to the greatest benefit from the smoking bans. Nowadays, like a few years ago, there was like the smoke was harmful to the heart. Like it was the idea that the secondhand smoke was actually harmful to the heart was a theory, and there was. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Sneha, you continue.
Oh, okay. Actually, I got a call from someone. So yeah, actually, I was saying yeah. So actually, the cardiologist also like the doctors who check the hearts. So the cardiologist actually it's like it recommends that people who are having the lung diseases from smoking heavily, they recommend to them to quit smoking. Now there are many things available, you know, like the medicines available in the markets nowadays for quitting any addictive things like drinking or smoking, so people can easily, like, they are also cost friendly, I think. So people can easily have an access to them because people can buy the medicines with money, and they can try to quit the smoking because it not only like the smoke that they releases, so it not only affects them and the lungs, but it also affects the surrounding. Even suppose I'm sitting beside a person in a bus, in a public bus, right? The person is smoking. He himself gets affected. At the same time, he makes myself affected too. Like he makes my lungs also affected with his smoking. So why will I suffer from because of him? So I think a public smoking should be banned. And also like when I used to go to school, I used to see the parents are waiting outside, you know, for picking up their children. They used to smoke while waiting, gossiping with other parents. So I think, yeah, there are teenagers who go to school, the boys who go to school, they will also learn from the parents. They will see them and they will learn from them actually, because teenagers tend to catch more everything faster. So I think public smoking should be banned, and the government should look more into this kind of things, because indirectly these things, everyone knows these things, but these things are not so much that are taken care of, because the environment at the like at least the environment gets affected, and we are also getting affected day by day. Yeah, so that's from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sneha. So if anybody want to speak, so they can speak as like Pooja, Abhishek, and I think Vikash. Otherwise, we are going to end up this meeting. Okay, Amit Bhai. Uh, I, okay. So thank you guys for attending this session, and by Tuesday I am going to declare this result. So thank you. Enjoy Sunday. We will meet tomorrow again
Yes.
at the group to discuss with some new topic as like Kisan Andolan, because nowadays Kisan Andolan is going on. So let's discuss what people say, and they are in favor of farmer protest, or some people are against, because you can see ruling government is just saying that they are not doing good, but opposition party and also some farmer are just saying yes, this is our right, and the bill should be banned because this is not going to get means this is not going to give any benefit to the farmer. So let's discuss tomorrow what you said and what is my view. So discuss on that topic. Okay, Amit bhai, if you want to say something.
No, no, I wanted to say this. Thank you for it, because it has been I guess the 1.5 month, and we
Yes,
haven't been connected. So
yes,
it's good
yes.
to be connected. Okay, and hope that it would be continuing. Okay,
Okay, okay, Amit bhai, I'm
and
really sorry for that. You know, actually, I was just visiting my hometown, and
yeah,
home
yeah,
time
yeah. I can, I
just
can, I can.
I went to attend my sister marriage, so I was not getting so much time,
Yes, yes.
so
No,
I
no.
can
It's
give.
if it is a
That's why
no, no.
anyhow I have passed 15 days now.
Yes,
Onwards
yes.
Monday I am active, fully active. Means in night
Yeah,
we have
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
schedule our Zoom meeting as well as discuss on the topic. So I am really sorry for that. Actually, I missed
No, no.
many talks.
It's not about the sorry. Okay, because
Mm.
we can consider it, right? Yeah,
Yes, yes.
it's not mandate that. Okay, no issues. Okay, and hope that you have enjoyed full, because I
Yes,
could see
yes,
that a lot of WhatsApp status also. So I thought, okay, not to
yes,
disturb
yes.
you.
Actually, I
Okay,
fully
so that's
enjoyed,
why. Yeah,
some
yeah, yeah.
dance party, some music, some Bhojpuri song. So
Yes, yes, yes.
nice. Okay, thank you, Amit bhai. Just enjoy Sunday.
Okay, so
So,
thank you for this, competitions also. Okay,
okay,
and thank you. And one more thing, I'll be free for 1 week. Okay, because I took a leave.
okay,
So
okay,
if anyone
okay.
wants to talk with me, okay, 1-to-1, whatever it may be, because okay, so I have given this
Also
entire
they
week for
can
the
earn
English.
money. Also they can
Okay,
earn money. Okay, just mention this.
yes, yes, you can also. Okay, no issues.
Mm.
Okay, so thank you all, and have
Thank you.
a nice day ahead. Bye,
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you.